New ship, new island, Carnival is keeping up with the Joneses. How, you ask? Hey cruisers, let's talk about what's happened in the cruising industry this past week. Today is February 24th. Keeping up with the Joneses. That's right. I think Carnival is on a mission. What goes best with a new ship? Another new ship. And while they're at it, why not just throw in a private Bahamian destination for the new ships to visit? Let's first talk about this new ship. How many years do you think it takes Carnival to put in an order for a new build? Any guesses? Well, it's actually been 5 years. In 2020, they had the Mardi Gras come out. 2022, we saw the celebration. And 2023, most recently, the Jubilee. And Carnival announced last week that they're building a 4th Excel class ship. It's already underway, and it's expected to be delivered in the spring of 2027. The cruise company signed an agreement with the German shipbuilder Meyer-Werft. This new ship will have the capacity for more than 6,400 passengers, and it's going to be powered by liquefied natural gas. It kind of sounds scary. The vessel will join sister ships, of course, the Mardi Gras celebration and the Jubilee, which we aforementioned, in the Carnival Excel class. Since the theme of the Excel class seems to be all around parties and celebrations, what do you think Carnival should name this new ship? Any ideas? Well, if you have any ideas, leave a comment down below, and we'll take a look at all those name suggestions. Duffy, the president of Carnival Cruise Line, said that Carnival Excel class ships have been a tremendous addition and proven very popular with all of their guests. She also said that the new ship would enable them to grow their incredible fleet and welcome loyal guests back to cruising more frequently, and also attract new-to-cruise guests to experience all that Carnival has to offer. Okay, we're going to stick with Carnival. They've been on a roll. So Thursday, February 22nd, Carnival Corporation announced plans of a $1 million pier extension to double the arrival capacity of Celebration Key. That's the line's exclusive destination that's set to open on the Grand Bahama Island the summer of 2025. Plus, they're going to add 2 more berths in order to accommodate the Carnival Excel class ships sometime in 2026. This is going to allow room for 4 Excel class ships simultaneously. So again, the president of Carnival Cruise Line stated that building the second pier now allows them to implement growth plans and build itineraries with certainty and signals to the community just how important this development is to Carnival Cruise Line and the future of the island. By 2028, Carnival projects approximately 4 million guests will visit Celebration Key annually. Wow, that's a lot of people. Okay, before we get on to the next news story, I just want to remind everyone that if you're enjoying the content that we're bringing you every week, please hit that subscribe button. It really will help our channel a lot. We really want to grow the channel so we can continue to bring stories to you. Also, hit that thumbs up button and share our content out with any friends that you might know. I do appreciate it. We work hard here, so thank you in advance. So, okay, with that said, let's move on to the next story. Let's switch gears for a minute away from Carnival, and let's talk about the crime in the Bahamas. While this isn't any new news, it's an active warning from the U.S. Embassy in the Bahamas. The Department of State rates the criminal threat level in New Providence Island, which is Nassau and the Paradise Island, as critical. The vast majority of crime is occurring on New Providence, Nassau, and Grand Bahama Freeport Islands. In Nassau, please exercise caution in the over-the-hill area south of Shirley Street. Violent crimes such as burglaries, armed robberies, and sexual assaults occur, but generally not in tourist areas. U.S. citizens victims of sexual assaults are encouraged to contact the U.S. Embassy for assistance, report crimes to the local police, at 919, that's 919, or 911, and contact the U.S. Embassy at 242-322-1181. Remember that local authorities are responsible for investigating and prosecuting the crime.